Yo, welcome back guys dito sa General Luna Woodworks. Good afternoon guys, Wallaplex this afternoon. Our done project for today's vlog guys. Ang nakikita nyo guys ay isang panel door guys. So yan ang ating modern design panel door guys. Alright, this panel door is made of pure mahogany wood guys. Ayan o, ang gara diba guys? So, newly designed yan guys. Nakita nyo, meron siyang vertical 3 lines and horizontal lines guys. So, yan o. Ang ganda guys. So, diba? Ito guys ay may sukat na 90 by 210 standard size guys. So, shout out sa aking classmate na umorder ng panel door na ito. Yan. Shout out sa Class Aguila 2011-04. Yan ang aking matikas na classmate from Tanay, Rizal. Yan ang umorder sa akin ng panel door na yan. Yan guys! Thanks for watching! Follow for more. Bye! Salute!